Yes, very excited. Time for another update. This is what's going on. Obviously not finished. Coming along, can't really complain. It's not perfect, but again, it is a garage. For another update. Alright. This, ooh, that's bright. This is where we are. So now we have drywall up, a little bit of mudding is taking place. Starting to come together. A lot of sanding to do now, and then prime and paint. And I can have some space to do what I need to do. Okay, so lights are up, plugs are in, electrical panel, everything's looking nicer. Time to sand and paint. What color should we do the in here? Any ideas? Now we've got the sides and the top and bottom. And as I showed you before, it's going right there. So next step will be to cut some 2x4 so I can mount the 2x4 to the wall and then mount those sides to the 2x4. Then the top and bottom. Then I've got to figure out the 2x4s. I need to figure out where to place them so I can have shelving as well. Something just came in for the garage. Been waiting for a while. Wanted something like this for a while. I'll show you as it's being pulled in. So, this is what I got. Not very big, but it should do the job. I actually thought that there was one more lower. Might have to go look to get another, or get a bottom. That's all right. We'll deal with that. Little at a time, little at a time. Anyhow. Yes, very excited. Woo-wee. Time to clean this place up and get it prepped for painting. A little bit today, a little bit tomorrow, a little bit the day after. You know, this is what it looks like now. Lawnmower will stay, tire racks will stay. Haven't decided what I'm doing with those that belong to a buddy. I think maybe what I'll do is all of the wood for right now. Take care of that.